Adjusting the fan speed, a simple guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very practical phrase that you might come across in daily life or while handling gadgets. Adjust the fan speed. This phrase is not only useful but also a great example of how English language combines words to form meaningful actions. Let's explore together and make sure you're comfortable using this phrase by the end of our video. The phrase, adjust the fan speed, might seem straightforward at first, but let's break it down to ensure we grasp its full meaning. Adjust is a verb that means to change or modify something to achieve a desired effect or to fit a new situation. Fan refers to a device that creates airflow, often used for cooling. Speed is how fast something moves or operates. When combined, the phrase directs someone to change how fast the fan spins, usually to make a room more comfortable by altering the temperature or air circulation. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts, such as in homes, offices, or any place equipped with a fan. Here are some scenarios. On a hot day, you might want to increase the fan speed to feel cooler. In a chilly room, you could decrease the fan speed to avoid feeling too cold. While studying or working, if the fan noise is distracting, you might adjust the speed to a quieter setting. It's also essential to know how to adjust the fan speed. This can vary depending on the type of fan. Manual fans typically have a knob or a switch that you turn or flip. Electronic fans or air conditioners might have a remote control or a digital panel where you select the speed setting. Let's put our phrase into action with some example sentences. The room is too hot. Can you adjust the fan speed to high? I'm feeling a bit cold. Could you please adjust the fan speed to low? This fan has 3 settings. To adjust the fan speed, just press the speed button until you find a comfortable level. Using it in different sentences like these will help you become more fluent and confident in your English speaking skills. And there we have it. Adjusting the fan speed is not only about controlling a device. It's a practical phrase that helps us create a more comfortable environment and showcases how we can combine English words to direct specific actions. We hope this video has been informative and that you're now more comfortable using this phrase in your daily life. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to use this phrase whenever you get the chance. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.